Hey hustlers, want some extra cash? In today's world, everyone's looking for ways to make their money work harder. The internet has opened up a world of possibilities, and one platform that's been making waves is Picoworkers. Picture this, you're chilling at home, scrolling through your phone, and boom, you get paid for it. Sounds too good to be true? Well, it's not. Picoworkers is your one-stop shop for easy online tasks that can earn you some sweet side hustle income. Whether you're saving up for a vacation, paying off debt, or just want a little extra spending money, Picoworkers has got your back. So buckle up, Buttercup, because I'm about to break down everything you need to know about this awesome platform. Get ready to kiss those financial woes goodbye. So what exactly is Picoworkers? Imagine a giant digital marketplace where businesses post small tasks and people like you and me complete them for a reward. That's Picoworkers in a nutshell. It's become super popular because it's a win-win for everyone involved. Businesses get their work done quickly and affordably, while you get to earn money on your own time and terms. Talk about a sweet deal. The tasks on Picoworkers are usually pretty simple. Think signing up for websites, taking surveys, watching videos, or even just liking social media posts. Don't worry, you won't be asked to do anything shady or complicated. It's all about quick, easy gigs that anyone can do. The best part? You get to choose what you want to do and when you want to do it. Flexibility is the name of the game. Alright, ready to dive in? Signing up for Picoworkers is as easy as pie. Just head over to their website and click on the register button. You'll need to provide some basic information like your name, email address, and a secure password. Don't worry, they take your privacy seriously, so your information is safe and sound. Once you've filled out the form, verify your email address, and voila, you're officially a Picoworker, ready to start earning those dollar bills. Now, before you jump into the task pool, take a minute to complete your profile. Add a profile picture, write a short bio, and link your social media accounts. Optional. A complete profile shows potential employers that you're legit and increases your chances of getting chosen for tasks. Section 4. Navigating the job board. Finding your perfect task. Now for the fun part. Browsing the job board. Picoworkers has a user-friendly interface that makes finding tasks a breeze. You can filter jobs by category, country, payment amount, and even the time it takes to complete them. Want to do some quick social media gigs? No problem. Prefer taking surveys? They've got you covered. The options are endless, so take your time and find tasks that pique your interest. When you find a task that catches your eye, click on it to learn more. You'll see a detailed description, the payment amount, the estimated completion time, and any specific requirements. Make sure you read everything carefully before accepting a task to avoid any surprises down the line. Remember, knowledge is power. Knowledge is. Section 5. Completing tasks like a pro, from clicks to cash. Alright, you've found the perfect task. Now what? Each task will have its own set of instructions, so make sure you read them carefully and follow them to the letter. For example, if you're signing up for a website, you might need to confirm your email address or complete a short survey. Pay attention to every detail, as even a small mistake can lead to your work being rejected. Once you've completed a task, submit any required proof, like a screenshot or a confirmation link. The employer will then review your work, and if everything checks out, they'll approve your payment. Cha-ching! Keep in mind that some tasks might require you to wait a few days or even weeks for approval. Don't worry, it's all part of the process. If you have any questions or encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to the Picoworkers support team. They're super friendly and always happy to help. Section 6. Cashing out. Reaping the rewards of your hard work. Now for the moment you've all been waiting for. Getting paid. Picoworkers offers several convenient payment methods, including PayPal, Skrill, and Litecoin. You can withdraw your earnings once you've reached the minimum payout threshold, which varies depending on the payment method you choose. It's important to note that some payment processors might charge a small fee for transactions. Be sure to factor this in when choosing your preferred method. Once you've withdrawn your earnings, sit back, relax, and enjoy the fruits of your labor. You've earned it. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to making money on Picoworkers. The more tasks you complete, the more money you'll make. So, what are you waiting for? Sign up for Picoworkers today and start building your side hustle empire. Before we wrap up, I want to introduce you to an incredible tool that can enhance your online earning experience. Gologin. If you're diving into platforms like Picoworkers, having a reliable way to manage multiple accounts is essential, and that's where Gologin comes in. Gologin is the best browser for multi-accounting. Gologin is a powerful browser solution that allows you to create and manage multiple profiles easily. This means you can work on various tasks across different accounts without the hassle of logging in and out. With Gologin, you can enjoy features like 1. Unique browser fingerprints for each profile, ensuring your online activities remain anonymous. 2. Easy switching between profiles with just a click. 3. Enhanced security to keep your data safe while you work on multiple tasks. Imagine completing tasks on Picoworkers more efficiently. With Gologin, you can handle multiple tasks simultaneously across different accounts, maximizing your earning potential while keeping everything organized. Thanks for watching our video. If you found these tips helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more content. And remember, with tools like Gologin, you can unlock even greater potential in your online endeavors. Happy earning, and see you in the next video.